Oh my goodness, it is Grit Rock launch day and the store launches in 10 minutes and I'm so excited, but also nervous. I just want it to all go smoothly. I don't want there to be technical issues, but I feel like I put the effort in with the website. It should go according to plan. Lou's actually in the edit right now, so I don't even think he's gonna come out for the actual like 11 a.m. launch, which I was like, what? But he was like really in the middle of an edit, so he'd rather just come out in a bit, but that means it's just you and me here for the launch of the store, and I am nervous. I don't think I can wait any longer. There's like 3 minutes until the technical launch, but I think I might just publish the store and make sure it like looks okay. Is that bad? Is it bad to like do it a few minutes early? I don't think so. Okay, it's 10:57. Ah! Okay, we're going with it. Enable page. Oh, I'm just kidding. Should I do it? I'm clicking. Where am I registration? Does it look good? Wilderroom.com/store. Oh, phew, the sidebars there. Free worldwide shipping. Oh my god, it looks so good. Grit rocks. They pop down. They work. Oh my gosh. It's all in. Okay, the store is officially launched. I have their shipping address. Oh my gosh. I think this is actually working. Ah, this is so exciting. We've got, people are buying them. Guys, this is really so cool. I was waiting for you to show up.
How's our store doing?
It's going really well. We've already sold almost 100.
Wow.
Some people are buying more than one.
What?
Yeah, like a guy just bought 3.
That's wild. I didn't even think that people would do that.
No.
That didn't even seem like an option to me.
It's really exciting.
Wow.
I've just been watching and refreshing and refreshing and refreshing. Oh my gosh, it's really amazing.
Wow, that's so cool.
Yeah. They're selling like hotcakes, Lou.
That's cool.
Yeah, it really is.
It's really cool.
You want to see what the site looks like?
It's fun to see all the sold outs.
Yeah. Wow. I love the Greece collection. Wow, the Greece collection's
Almost gone.
almost gone.
Yeah.
Wow.
Wow.
Iceland is sold out. And the first one actually is going out to Skylar, who bought 2 necklaces, one from Iceland and one from Spain. So now I'm just gonna write the little thank you note on the cards. These are our stamps that we created for the Live Creatively project, but it's our motto, so it can go on anything. So I'm just gonna write a little thank you note, put it all in there. What do you think?
It's honestly like crazy to like think about. I feel like we have so many like digital things that we make all of the time, and then having like an actual like physical thing, and like hearing of like people who have them. And like we just heard this like beautiful story the other day of one of our patrons, Skylar, and like she's a kindergarten teacher, I think, right?
Yeah.
And like all of the kids like love playing with her necklace, and it's just like, it's crazy that like these little things we made are just like going all over the world, you know? Like,
yeah.
Really, really cool. I'm like super grateful.
Isn't it so profound to think of these little boxes going all over the world? Like they're all gonna have their own new little home and get to wear them like I wear mine. Just got back from a freezing stroll with Lou. I was gonna check how our orders did. So Lou, yeah. We have sold 200 Grit Rocks.
What?
Yes.
That's wild.
That's crazy. Oh my gosh, 200. So I think there's like probably like 30 more or something like that. But it's already 6:30, so I think we're gonna call it for today. Finish packing all the orders tomorrow. It's been a really magical day. Thank you for everybody who supported us. Can't really believe it, and I'm kind of in shock, but I think we should celebrate some way. We're not sure how yet. Probably just have a dance party in our living room. But I will check in tomorrow. So it is the next morning. It is officially time to check and see how the Grit Rocks did.
How we doing, Dana?
Let me see, let me see. Oh my gosh, Lou, they're all gone.
What?
They all sold. Wow.
Wow.
Yeah, they're all sold.
That's crazy.
I really can't believe it.
Now we can buy a lot of stuff for our boat.
Yeah, basically we're like, what can we do with this money? Oh, poof, 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 poof. Yep, There we go. Boat stuff is so expensive, and this is really helping us out. Honestly, like, it's gonna help kit Penelope out so well for our big adventure.
We can get a water maker
We're
now.
thinking a water maker. We can do it. We were like, should we do it? Should we not do it? Like, let's just see how the Grit Rocks do, because it's such a big investment. But like, now we can do it, and it's like all thanks to your support. And a water maker is like a crucial component to a successful circumnavigation, because it's like, now you can drink water in the middle of the ocean and you don't have to worry about that. So
Yeah. Wild. All right, all 235 Grit Rocks have been loaded into the car. Dana's gonna take them to the post office today and smile as much as she can, and hopefully they will scan them for you guys today right away.
But really, no, I just like feel so lucky to be able to like ship these off, and it's like really special, I think, for especially because we're like digital content creators. We do so much stuff online. It's really fun to like make something that's real and tangible, and that you guys actually will get to open something, have something physical, and like a perfect reminder that you're stronger than you think you are, and you can go after your dreams. And I just really hope that these Grit Rocks put a smile on everyone's face.
I know, I can't wait for them to arrive.
I know. I will see you in a bit.
Good luck out there.
Thank you.
So Dana just got back from the post office and told me that the guy there promised they would be on the 2 p.m. truck. It's 2:40 now, so they should be on their way to you. And I just wanted to say thank you one more time. We're so, so grateful for all of the orders. And to all of the people who wanted one and couldn't get one, I'm really sorry. They are crazy time consuming to make, but there is a tutorial in the description for this video, and you can definitely teach yourself how to do it. It's not that hard, it's just really, really time consuming. And I think it took me like 10 to 25 like attempts, like necklaces, to like actually get good at it. And then after that, it's really, really easy. It just takes a lot of patience, but you can definitely do it yourself. And all of the materials you would need to do it would be less than buying a Grit Rock. So definitely go for it if you're thinking about it. You can do it. And thank you to everyone who got one, and thank you for watching this video. We will be back on Tuesday with our regular programming.